So before creating, I turn on the surface angel the corridor. So now the lane I move little bit inside this one. So from this point I will start the line here. So let's start the line. I will go to the home tab, then go to the pipe network. In the pipe network tab, pipe network, this one, let's say this line is 01. Okay, my sanitary work part list, the surface, top surface here, the alignment name, main road. This already the label selected, so you can click here, and from inside you can change anything you want to, incoming, outgoing pipe, there or anything. So you can adjust the text, what thing you don't want you can move, or and insert from here. Just go inside and you can add many things from here what you want. So the other thing in the pipe label, this is the structure label, this is the pipe label, also similar you can add. So let's start. When I click OK, this dialog box appear. In this dialog box I have, if I did not select the pipe network, so I can select pipe network here. This is the surface alignment, this is the part list from here. As you can see, this is showing the line number 1. The part list is my sanitary. The top surface alignment showing from here. So I will select here the connection 1, or by default this one. From here this pipe only, or pipe and structure both. So I can start from the pipe only, or I can create a pipe and structure both. This showing the direction of the slope. Suppose this, as you can see the direction from this one. So if the water will go outside from this pipe line, so you must keep the same slope, or if water will go downside, you must change this direction arrows now and then. This you can delete the structure, and this is the detail of the pipeline and manhole, slope, showing slope and water level, many things. So I will just click from the pipe and here. Let's start from the this one, or this area. Let's start from the manhole, this one. Let's suppose I am creating here, and then create here one manhole. Okay, now just let's escape. As you can see, so you can adjust by dragging this manhole to any station. You can adjust some. Also the label you can drag, the pipe detail. Here you can see meter of 75 PVC pipe at the rate 2.05 slope. Also this label, oh, sorry, I select the manhole also. So just click on the this one and just move this label. Okay, the next thing here, if you want to draw this pipe in the profile, what should you do? Just select these both, select the similar, so it will select the third pipeline also, the manhole. Then just right click here from this draw path in the profile view, or from here draw path in the profile view, select draw profile view and just click here, and as you can see it's appear here. It's appear here. As you if you don't see clear this one, just click here, go to the style, and from here this plan, just change to the profile, and from here what color you want. Let's this turn up, so center line turn up, so I will do for next one, this one, and which is turn on, I'll change this one and apply. Okay, same like you can create for the manhole also, but manhole is looking good, so I will leave manhole just like this. Okay, the next thing, if you want to add another manhole here, what should you do? Select. Already we are in this side. If I close this one, suppose this was I close this one, just click here on anything here and network properties, just and network property here, edit pipe network. This is the property, it will show the property edit pipe network, and again it will appear the dialog box, same dialog box will appear here, and as you can see also this one. So you can change from here what you want. Suppose I want to start a 90 mm center and this one already is here. So when I click here, as you can see, there is a sign for connection. So I am also showing the center. So just click and it will connect. It will connect. Just click on the next here. So movies are now, as you can see, this pipeline and manhole added in the profile, but this the other one manhole number, the structure 23 or anything in 250. So just select, there are two methods, just select these two which are not included in the profile, and just I will show you here, or we'll divide the into horizontal 2 is better. Okay, I will zoom this one here and this plan. Okay, so these there are two methods how you can add this manhole and this pipeline. The same process, just right click, draw and profile view, just click here and click on the profile view. It's added here. One method is that one. The next method, I will control Z. Okay. And the second method, I will zoom like this. Just click here on the profile. I will unselect this one. Just select the profile here and go to the profile view property. When you go to the profile view property, there is a pipe network option here. From the pipe network option, you can see draw. So in draw, there are this existent already I have made, so I will not change this one. This is line number one. I will close this one. This is line number one. Name that. So here, as you can see, this line 90 mm UPVC pipe is not draw in the this profile. So I will just tick this one, click apply, and okay. And as you can see, okay, this now the profile, the manhole did not appear here. So select the structure also and click apply, and then okay. And as you can see, both manhole and pipe appear here in the profile view. So like this you can create, you can draw, and you can create the pipe parts in your profile and plan and profile.